Hi, I'm Joe Petro, the Director of Engineering at Infratech. The purpose of these videos is to make specifying and installing our products easier for you. Prior to installation or service of Infratech equipment, you'll need to disconnect all power at the main feed. You should also use a qualified electrician who's familiar with the National Electric Code. This video has discussed the care and maintenance of Infratech patio heating products. All of our heaters are made of high-quality stainless steel or high-quality extruded aluminum. The heaters require the same amount of maintenance as your barbecue or your patio furniture require. You need to hose them off occasionally to remove all surface contamination and debris. And should the heater become tarnished or stained, you'll need to use any metal polish or automotive-style rubbing compound to quickly restore the finish to the original condition. To minimize any electrical problems down the road, we would encourage you to inspect all electrical connections annually to ensure there's no damaged wire and all connections are still clean and tight. With just a little bit of elbow grease, the heater will look like new for years to come. Well, hopefully this video has been helpful. It's our goal at Infratech to provide the best products and the best information to make your installation a success. Should you need additional assistance, please feel free to contact Infratech.